Over the years, we've made French toast every which way. We've stuffed it, stacked it, and even made it casserole style so it was easy to serve. But no matter how many ways we serve it up, you just can't seem to get enough of it. So let me show you a new recipe that I think you're really going to love. In a shallow dish, we beat together a few eggs with some milk, a good amount of maple syrup, a splash of vanilla, powdered sugar, and a little cinnamon. If you want, you could make it a little richer by using half and half instead of milk, or a little lighter by using refrigerated egg substitute instead of whole eggs. Now get this, we dip some hot dog rolls that we cut in half into the egg mixture and onto a hot buttered skillet or griddle they go. Once one side is golden, flip them in another minute or so, they're done. And the nice thing about these is you can make them ahead of time and keep them in the fridge or freezer and just warm them up when you need a quick breakfast. And although they're amazing, what makes them extra convenient is you don't need to top them with any syrup since it's, shall I say, built in. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our maple French toast sticks, so you'll have a new idea for breakfast that's perfect right through the holidays and well beyond. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for a shortcut way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm.